Hey everybody, it's Shane Benedict and I'm here again at the Green River, ready to cover the 26th Green Race for Kayak Session Magazine. And we've got hundreds of racers. Like, it is crazy. I think there's 180 signed up already for the race. The crazy storyline is there's like 20 juniors. I don't know exactly how many, and they are fast. It's gonna be like 16 and 17 year olds doing 4 teens, 420s, 430s. The old men better pick up the pace if they're gonna stay ahead of these young guns. But anyway, it's looking like a beautiful week leading up to it. And I'm just gonna try to deliver some of the sights and sounds of the 26th Green Race and the preparations going up to race day. It's race week here, and it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Oh, stay upright. Nice brace. Stay upright. There we go. Oh dear, paddle chaos. He's still upright. Not anymore though. See that roll? Yeah. Jason Hale. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, nice first run. He comes off the West Coast, styles it. Next up, John Grace. The old guard is out. He's out a little wide, but he's good. Nice. There we go. We got our first backward.
Oh, what are you doing?
I gotta catch my breath. Hold on. There it is. Breathing treatment. Made it. Let's do it. So you're out here. Are you gonna run gorilla today?
Fuck no.
How about, are you racing?
I am racing.
Are you ready?
Well, you know, a little bit. Mostly ready.
Nice, nice, nice. Are you racing?
Oh yeah.
Are you ready?
You know, I can be. I will be ready.
Okay.
We'll have to find out.
Nice. Here comes Tad Dennis. Woo! Jesus, Tad! Are you ready?
Oh my gosh, yeah, totally. I just had COVID 5 days ago.
Wait a minute, then why are you talking to me?
I'm free and clear now.
Ah, nice. You excited?
Man, it's my favorite day of the year. It's my favorite day of my whole life. Every year. Favorite day of my whole life.
Ferraro's back in, he's wide, pulling it back. He's got marine strength. Snowy, are you racing?
But today, no. I hear there's a race in like a week's time, so we'll see. Yeah, maybe. I'm walking gorilla because I heard that jet lag's really bad for like high speed descent. So I'm a couple of days off a plane, so I'm just taking it easy. But I'll figure this bit out.
Hey, you racing?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Yeah. Are you sure? Are you racing?
Oh yes, yes.
You are? Are you ready?
No.
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 Oh, come on, buddy. Whoa! Whoa! Little A coming in hot. Woo! I didn't like that. That, he's going Columbus. Oh, deep. Woo! Oh, my goodness. Come on, bring it back, baby. Nice, Ferraro. Oh! Yeah, wow, big wheelie. Nice. Hang in there. Ooh. Dane went way up there that time. Woo! Oh, totally stalled out. Oh, he's not gonna like that. Boy. Oh, what? Way up on the rock. Way right. Whoa, he cleared it. But he hit a little shoulder check on the Columbus line. Babe, he's way wide. That's looking Columbus-y. Oh, he got clear of it. Oh, I hope he's all right. No face, please. No face. Yeah, buddy. Get a hold up. Oh!
I was walking my boat back up and I was like, maybe I should get redemption, and then I was like, I might just do the seal launch.
Oh, he's going into the eddy. Birthday Eddie! Woo! Brandon's birthday, and the tradition here on the green is to catch the eddy. The trick about catching the eddy is getting out with any kind of control. Going up high, turning and burning into the wall. Boom! Upside down. Don't you go in that cave. Come on, buddy. I'm not doing that on my birthday. Oh, what is that? Oh, God. Ow, he's way wide. Little Columbus. What the world? Holy mackerel. Oh, yeah, he's way wide. Columbus. Yeah, riding it, baby. Yeah, Emily. Nice one. Ow. Oh, he's on the wall. Woo. Oh, nice kiss. Woo. Ready. Yeah. Woo. Come on, buddy. Come on. Nice. Good save. Nice. Looking good. Perfectly lined up. Oh, he's a little left. He's good, though. And it's skip. Nice one. Good move. Oh, we might have a little stir. Back in there. Woo. Woo. Hang on there. Hang on there. Yeah. Get it turned. You can do it. Oh, yeah. Nicely done. Move it. Woo. Get it. So, I noticed you pulled up into the eddy with a crossfire.
Oh yeah.
Are you racing that?
Yeah.
Are you sure it's gonna stay together? For
Probably not. I mean, I got my nice hip pads right here.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then
Whoa! Are you racing?
I am racing.
Are you ready? No. You're not. Woo! Whoa, little kick up. Nice line. He got it straightened out and a skipper through the hole. Oh. Yeah, Dave, get him over. Little tail. God, he is flying through there. So it's throwing him off balance. Whoa! What the hell was that? Paddle spin! Oh my goodness! Jesus! He did a paddle spin through the notch. Dave, what the hell was that? What the hell was that?
Foul points. I don't think you're not telling Dennis the quad foul is not necessary.
Oh, he's gonna hit the wall. It's upside down. Roll it up, buddy. Yeah, nice roll. Whoa, here. Woo! Taking a little wide out there. Oh, buddy. You got it. Boop it. Oh, damn.
Oh.
Come on, buddy. Roll up.
Oh.
Roll up. Broken paddle. Oh. Yeah, Dave. Nice left turn, baby. And, oh, big skipper. You just got to make the left turn. It says sardine on your life jacket.
Yeah, that's my name.
Is that your name, Sardine? I didn't know that.
What's your name?
My name's Shane.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Way wide. Come on, Mark. You got it, baby. You got it. Nice recovery. And pull it back, baby. Oh, the crease. Oh, boy. You're not 20 anymore?
I'm not 20 anymore.
Come on.
Things are healing slow. I need glasses, I believe. Well, my eyes say so.
Your eyes say so.
I'm not getting any younger.
Wait, what was that?
I'm not getting any younger. If I survive training, I will race.